This question says for each of the following, which is one of them, find the equation of the line. So we have to find the equation of a line with the gradient m, and that passes through the given point 8, 2. Now, we already know that one of the standard forms of writing the equation of a line is y is equal to mx plus c. So once y is the subject, the number in front of x, which is the coefficient of x, is the gradient. So right away, they give us the gradient. The gradient is 1/4. In the place of c, we can substitute 1/4. In the place of m, sorry, we can substitute 1/4. Now we have to find c. We are given a point. We know that the coordinates of a point are such that x comes first, followed by y. So therefore, this means that x must be equal, because 8 is the first number, so x must be 8. And the second number is 2, so y is equal. Now remember, we have an equation half complete because we need to find what is c. In the place of y, we're going to substitute 2, because here we said y is equal to 2. And in the place of x, we're going to substitute 8, because here we said x is equal to 8. And then we can solve for c. So in here, that's where y used to be. We're going to put a 2, because y is equal to 2. And here where x was, we're going to put 8, because x is equal to 8. Now, when you are solving for c, it will always be positive. So leave c on the right side. Don't transfer c on the left side. Leave it right where it is. Okay, so all your calculations that you do, leave c right where it is on the right side. It's already positive, so it's very comfortable there. Don't transfer it across to make it negative. Leave it right there. 1/4 times 8. How many 4s are there in 8? 0.8 goes 2 times. 1/4 of 8 is 2. Now we're going to cancel out 2 now by subtracting. As we say, leave c right where it is. If we subtract 2 on the right, we have to subtract 2 on the left. Minus 2 is 0. So what we are left with now, c is equal to 0. So this means that the line passes through the origin. Okay, passing right in the where the two axes meet. Okay, so therefore the equation of the line is y is equal to 1/4 x. You have to put plus 0. You normally see that happening. You can put plus 0, but it's not necessary. So that's the equation. Y is equal to 1/4 x, and 1/4 x is passing through the origin. The gradient is 1/4, so this means every time x increases by 1, y increases by just 1/4. 1, 1/4, 1, 1/4. All right, and it's going up. 1, 1/4, 1, 1/4, 1, 1/4. That's the definition of the gradient. Here we have another gradient, -3. So when x increases by 1, y going down by 3. So you have 1, 3, 1, 3. Okay? 1 for the x and 3 down for the y. 1 for the x, 3 down. Okay? Negative gradient. But here now the gradient is a little bit gentle and it's up and going. So 1/4, 1/4. Okay, definition of gradient. Very important.